Hello people, just got home from work, opened up the delivery bag, been waiting for this for a couple of days. It took 3 days to come. Got some special goodies here for next year, for the small birds. So there you go, nest felts, quite dear actually, 10 for £5.50. They were cheaper elsewhere, but they didn't have everything else what I wanted. So we've got some nest felts, we've got some egg food, 2 kilo, no there's only 1 kilo there, so 1 kilo egg food. I've got 2 kilos of this special mix of food here. Look at that. Some finger drawers and some pearl morbide even. There you go. This is this is a substitute instead of soak seed, and the small canaries, the small birds, especially the canaries, they love it. But yeah, that's what's just come today. Been waiting for this, getting ready for next year. And I feed, this is new to me, but I feed this, and I feed this weekly anyway. But this will be mainly for next year, springtime, to G on the little birdies. So yeah, and obviously the finger drawers so that you can mix up a little amount of each bit and give them a little finger drawer each day or every other day, whatever floats your boat. Right, just a quick one. Thanks for watching. See you later.